Alex, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not really. I was just thinking about relaxing at home.
We always stay home.
Well, I like staying home. It's peaceful.
I know, but I really want to go somewhere this time.
Hmm. Okay. Where do you want to go?
What about the beach?
The beach? Ah, it's gonna be so hot.
That's the best part. We can swim.
Maybe, but I really don't like sand.
You're still talking about the sand?
It gets into my shoes, my clothes, everywhere.
You're so funny.
I'm serious.
Okay. No beach then.
Thanks.
What about visiting a museum?
Uh, I don't think so.
Why not?
I want to relax, not read signs all day.
Museums are more interesting than that.
Maybe, but not this weekend.
Hmm, you keep saying no to everything.
Sorry, I'm just trying to find the right idea.
Okay, then you choose.
Let me think.
I'm waiting.
What about going to the park?
Hmm, actually, I like that idea.
Really?
Yes, we can walk around and enjoy the fresh air.
And we can sit under a big tree.
Oh, and we can have a picnic.
That sounds perfect.
We can make sandwiches.
And bring some fresh fruit?
Don't forget drinks.
Of course, water and juice.
Hmm. Or maybe we can order food online.
That's even easier.
Less cooking for us.
I like that plan already.
I'll place the order on Friday night.
Great, I'll pack everything.
Don't forget the picnic blanket.
I won't.
And sunscreen, too.
Uh, do we really need it?
Yes, the sun can still be strong.
Okay, I'll bring it.
Good.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
Should we invite our friends?
Maybe not this time.
Really?
Yeah, I'd like it to be just the two of us.
That sounds nice.
We haven't spent much time together lately.
You're right.
I just want a quiet and relaxing day with you.
I'd love that too.
Great.
Maybe we should bring a small speaker.
Oh, that's a good idea.
We can listen to some relaxing music.
And maybe play a few card games.
You always beat me.
That's because I'm lucky.
Or maybe you cheat.
Hey, I do not.
I'm only joking.
We'll see who wins this time.
Challenge accepted.
This weekend is going to be so much fun.
I can't wait.
Me neither.
Let's make it a wonderful day.
Ben, I'm so hungry. I think I could eat anything right now.
Me too. I skipped breakfast this morning.
Really? No wonder you're hungry. What time is it?
It's already 1:30.
Oh, wow, that's pretty late. Okay, where should we eat?
You choose this time. I picked the place last week.
Did you? I don't remember that.
Oh, yes, I did. Come on, it's your turn now.
Okay. What about pizza?
Ah, I thought you were tired of pizza.
Oh, right. I had pizza yesterday. Forget that idea.
See? I remembered before you did.
Fine, then what do you want?
How about burgers?
They're tasty, but they're too heavy for lunch.
Really? That's exactly why I like them.
I know you do, but I want something lighter.
Okay, what about Chinese food?
Not today. I don't really like the sauces.
Oh, that's surprising. I think they're delicious.
Sorry, everyone likes different things.
You're so picky sometimes.
Hey, only a little.
A little? I think it's a lot.
Very funny.
Okay, let's keep thinking.
What about Italian food? I really want some pasta.
Oh, pasta sounds amazing.
Great, let's go then.
There's only one problem.
What happened?
The nearest Italian restaurant is about 20 minutes away.
That's too far. I'm too hungry to wait.
Me too. So, another idea?
How about the new sushi restaurant?
Sushi? I've never tried sushi before.
Really? Never?
Nope. Raw fish makes me a little nervous.
Don't worry, it's much better than you think.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's actually my favorite food.
What if I don't like it?
Then you don't have to finish it.
But I'll still have to pay for it.
Relax, I'll pay today. It's my treat.
Wait, seriously?
Of course. You can buy lunch next time.
Well, that's a good deal.
So, are you ready?
Almost, but I still remember those spicy tacos you recommended.
Oh no, you're still talking about those?
My mouth was on fire for an hour.
Okay, I'm sorry, but sushi isn't spicy.
I hope you're right.
Trust me this time.
Okay, one more question.
What is it now?
Is the restaurant expensive?
Not really. They have a lunch special today.
Really? How much?
Only $12, and it comes with soup.
Oh, that's much better than I expected.
See, I told you.
Let me check the menu online first.
Sure, go ahead.
Wow, the food actually looks really good.
So, do you trust me now?
Maybe, just a little.
I'll take that.
Okay, let's go before I change my mind.
Great. It's only about 10 minutes away.
We can walk, right?
Of course, walking is free.
Now you're speaking my language.
I knew you'd like that.
Ready?
More than ready. I'm starving.
Okay, let's walk a little faster.
Yes, please.
Come on, lunch is waiting for us.
Finally, let's go.
You're impossible.
I know, but you'll still eat lunch with me.
Of course I will. Let's go.
Tom, I'm so bored. I don't know what to do.
Me too. We've been sitting here all afternoon.
What time is it now?
It's almost 7 o'clock.
Oh, the evening is just starting. We should do something fun.
Yeah, that's a good idea. How about watching a movie?
I'd love that.
Great. So what should we watch?
You choose this time. I picked the last movie.
Okay, let me think. How about a comedy?
Not really. I'm not in the mood for comedy tonight.
Really? I thought you liked funny movies.
Sometimes, but today I want something more exciting.
Then what about a horror movie?
Oh, no, absolutely not.
Why not?
Because I won't sleep tonight.
You're still scared of horror movies?
Yes, and I'm not ashamed to say it.
Fair enough. No horror then.
Thank you.
Maybe a drama?
I like dramas.
They're too slow for me.
Really? I think they have the best stories.
Maybe, but I usually fall asleep halfway through.
You're impossible.
I know.
Okay, what kind of movies do you really enjoy?
Action movies. Fast cars, exciting scenes, lots of adventure.
That sounds exactly like you.
Is that a bad thing?
No, actually, I like action movies too.
Wait, really?
Yes, I think we finally agree on something.
Great. I heard there's a new action movie everyone is talking about.
Oh, what's it about?
Fast cars, secret missions, and lots of action.
That sounds interesting.
Then let's watch it.
Wait a second, how long is it?
I think it's around 2 hours.
That's a little long.
What if we watch the first 30 minutes?
And if we don't like it,
We stop and choose another movie.
that's actually a great idea.
No pressure.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll get everything ready.
Wait, we need snacks first.
Of course, movie night isn't complete without snacks.
What do we have?
Chips, chocolate, and I think we have popcorn too.
Fresh popcorn sounds perfect.
Great, I'll make the popcorn.
And I'll find the movie.
Deal.
Where's the remote?
It's on the coffee table.
Ah, found it.
I'll be back in a few minutes.
Don't take too long. I'm getting excited.
I'll be as fast as I can.
Oh, and one more thing.
What is it?
Can we turn off the lights?
Oh, definitely. It'll feel like a real cinema.
Exactly.
Should I bring the blankets too?
Yes, one for you and one for me.
Good idea.
And don't forget the popcorn.
I promise I won't.
Good.
The popcorn is almost ready.
Great. I'm waiting.
Okay, mission complete.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Ready?
Almost.
What's missing?
Turn off the lights.
There we go.
Perfect.
Ready now?
Ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Press play.
Here we go.
You're more excited than I am.
Of course, it's movie night.
I think this is going to be a fun evening.
Me too. Now, shh, the movie is starting.
Okay, no more talking.
Deal.